Another property of ionic compounds that you probably also have seen is that they're super brittle. Like they're very easy. Like if you hit them, they're just gonna crack. They might be really strong crystals, so it might take a lot of force. But when you do get enough force to do it, it's just gonna crack right off. And that's because if you think about it, you're literally just ripping apart this layer of positive, negative charges, and they're just gonna crack apart when you apply that force. And then once they like kind of shift a little bit, then they start getting this repelling action happening. And there's a little cartoon on the top right that goes over that. But if it gets shifted just a tiny bit, the crystal structure is totally just like diminished at that spot. So it just shatters. There's also a good video, if that didn't really make sense, of this guy like pounding this thing into this molecular model into a wooden table, which is good visual. But yeah, and then the other two vocab words is ductile, so that's really soft. So that's what metals are most. It's very malleable. Um, and then semi brittle would be like a mix between the two, like that it's kind of soft but also crackly. So yeah, that's just another property of ionic compounds. Cool.